Hello children. In the previous classes, we learnt about what is universe, galaxy, solar system and about planets. Today, let us see about our Earth's natural satellite Moon. Moon is the name of our Earth's satellite. Actually, what are satellites? Satellites are celestial objects which revolve around the planets. The Moon is the Earth's only satellite. It revolves around the Earth once in every 27 days and 8 hours. It takes about the same time for it to complete one rotation around its axis. Moon does not have any atmosphere like our Earth. The Moon's surface has many craters formed due to the impact of meteors. The distance between the Moon and the Earth is about 3,84,400 kilometers. The size of the Moon is 1/4 of the Earth. The Moon is the only celestial body where humans have landed. So this is our Earth, this is the Moon. The distance between our Earth and the Moon is 3,84,400 kilometers. And see, the surface of the Moon has so many craters. And like our Earth, Moon also has two movements, rotation and revolution. Moon rotates on its own axis. At the same time, it revolves around our Earth. And when our Earth revolves around the Sun, with our Earth, Moon also revolves around the Sun. The Moon rotates one time for every revolution around the Earth. That is, the period of rotation and revolution are same for the Moon. We always see the same side of the Moon. Why? Because it has the same 27.3 days as its rotation and orbital period. The Moon has less mass than Earth, so the Moon has less gravity. Gravity on the Moon is 1/6 of Earth's gravity. Objects on the surface of the Moon weigh less than on Earth because the gravitational force of the Moon is less. The Moon is the only celestial body where humans have landed. Apollo 11 was a space flight that first landed humans on the Moon. Commander Neil Armstrong and lunar module pilot Buzz Aldrin walked around for 3 hours on the surface of the Moon. And our India's moon mission named Chandrayaan lifted off on 22nd October 2008 and it was sent by Indian Space Research Organization. And India's Chandrayaan-1 mission, moon mission, helped NASA to discover water on the moon. It's great and it's a great pride for all Indians. Now let us see what are asteroids. Asteroids are small solid objects that move around the sun. They are found as a belt between Mars and Jupiter. Mars is here and Jupiter is here and it is found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter and this is called as asteroid belt. And very rarely the asteroids are found beyond the solar system. They are too small to be called as planets. They are also known as planetoids or minor planets. A comet. What is a comet? A comet is a celestial object made up of a head and a tail. The head of a comet, this is the head. The head of the comet consists of solid particles held together by ice. The tail is made up of gases. Halley's Comet is the most famous comet which comes close to the Earth every 76 years. That is once in 76 years. It last appeared in 1986 and will next appear in the year 2061. And this is the photograph of Edmund Halley, who discovered Halley's Comet. He was an English astronomer famous for calculating the orbit of Halley's Comet. And that's why it is named after him. He was the second astronomer royal in Britain. Comets. Long elliptical orbits that take them far from the Sun, beyond Pluto and closer to the Sun than Earth. Because of their long, see this is the orbit of the comets usually. So when they come closer to the Sun, their tails point away from the Sun. And they are made of rock, dust and ice. They are smaller than planets. They are irregular shaped. They develop a tail as they get close to the Sun. So when they come closer to the Earth, we are able to see it with our naked eyes. The tails get longer when they are closer. A comet gets to the sun. Tails are always directed away from the sun. Gas tail points straight away from the sun. Dust tail curves towards orbital path. And this is the orbit of a comet. Now let us see about meteors. Actually, there are three terms: meteoroid, meteor, and meteoroid. And actually, a meteoroid is a stone-like or a metallic body. When it enters the Earth's atmosphere, it is called as meteor. Once it enters the Earth's atmosphere, most of the meteors, they get burned away because of the friction. And when they reach finally the Earth's surface, they are called as meteoroid. A meteor is a stone-like or metallic body. When entering into the Earth's atmosphere, most of them get burnt. As they often appear as streaks of light in the sky, they are also known as shooting stars. Meteors which strike the Earth's surface are called as meteoroids. This is the beautiful meteor shower. Now let us see finally the difference between comet, asteroid, meteoroid, meteor and meteoroids. The comet, it is a chunk of ice and rock originating from the outer solar system, often accompanied by a coma, that is a head and tail. Asteroid, a rock in orbit generally between Mars and Jupiter. Sometimes asteroids get bounced towards Earth. Meteoroid, a space rock that is bigger than a dust grain but smaller than an asteroid. If it strikes Earth, it is then a meteoroid. Meteor, the streak of light seen when a space rock enters the atmosphere and starts burning up. And we often call it as shooting star or falling star. Meteoroid, if a meteor does not entirely burn up, a piece of space rock that lands on the Earth is called a meteoroid. Hope now you understand the terms comet, asteroid, meteor and meteoroid.